Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're new or you're not new, but you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And we're going to get into this video. So this is my model with relaxed hair. She actually basically self-relaxes or does it at home basically. And as you can see, her hair is actually very damaged, very dry, and we're actually going to relax her regrowth. And you're going to see how light her hair is because she's actually been using like box relaxers, and that's kind of what it does because they have a really high percentage of peroxide, so it actually lightens your hair, which is why I always say make sure you're using professional products. So we're adding some Protecto to her hair, and that's actually going to moisturize her hair and detangle it before we start relaxing. Oh my gosh, guys, can you see how dark her roots are compared to the ends? And like I said, it's so brown. So we're just doing that, and then we're going to base the scalp. I'm not going to talk too much about this because I've basically done a relaxed hair video, and if you've not watched that, I'm going to leave that in the description box down below, so you can keep watching. And then I'm going to do like a really nice style. I think it's a protective style for her because I didn't want to do too much to her hair, and you know, obviously just wanted to make use of the fact that she just relaxed her hair. So we did actually do a ponytail look after relaxing her hair, so you can stay tuned and keep watching.
Met this pretty young girl and that's what she got me singing all night. I wanna take her to the room, I wanna take her down tonight. If I take her to the crib, man, that's what she got me singing all night. I wanna take her to the room, I wanna take her down tonight. One thing did I mention? Baby girl, you got my attention. I told her this be real and no extension. She told me that I got her for detention. I told her she can come to my extension. She told me that I need some more direction. Affection, no perception. Baby girl, you got me in my section. Met this pretty young girl named Sade, her last name Alade. I wanna take her to the room, I wanna take her down tonight. And by the end of the night, she been missing Sade, Fasina, Alade. I want my kidney and I wanna take her down tonight. Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby. Fly with me, baby.
Allez-y, on s'en va, on s'envole. Où sont les passeports? Allez, arrête, tu n'es même pas prête. Tu verras, c'est une surprise.
So what I'm doing here is just running the relaxer a bit through her ends at the sink, you know, because her hair is wet, so the relaxer wouldn't be too strong for her underprocessed parts. So we're just kind of correcting that. So yeah, we're just going to shampoo that out, and then after that would blow dry.
Fly with me, baby. I opened the car like I opened her heart. Said she want the dogs, them bark. They don't want drama or theatricals to start. Bare silhouettes when we buck them at the park. Slow wine when she wanna jigger. 21 looking for a certified nigga. Only thing she knows is Versace and the Skrilla. No, she don't work, but she working up a nigga. And she do me nicely. Whenever I'm away, she extra feisty. Now I know she gonna tell you that she's pricey. Living on her own is extra pricey. So she's fancy, and I know she's nasty. She does the freaky things that I taught her. Under the cover, she's undercover. Says she got a boyfriend, not a lover. Don't disturb her. Said she wanna realer than the shows that she see. Back roads, spilling up her backwood. Cause we got the string from a plug that we linked overseas. White widow, reeking off a jumper. Said she wanna realer than the plug that she sees. I ain't even met her before, but I know she's gonna me down if she gets on her knees. White widow, reeking off her jumper. White girl with a back, can't manage. Linked up cause I love me a challenge. Flick a movie, then I get my Billie Jean on. Dance all to the neighbors constantly. She wanna lay me down, man, I hope I can manage. Big back thing, gonna save a whole planet. Got the big whack thing that he needs for the challenge. Hit and run, that's minimal damage. 5:14, I was hearing the sirens while the whole road queuing like I came with a chalice. I ain't gonna stop till my mom's in the palace and the paranoia pays for everything. Said she wanna realer than the shows that she sees. Back roads spilling up her backwards. Cause we got the strain from a plug that we linked overseas. White widow reeking up a jumper. Said she wanna realer than the shows that she sees. Back roads spilling up her backwards. Cause we got the strain from a plug that we linked overseas. White widow reeking up a jumper. What you mean? Told you that I've been on my face. You ain't finna stand in my way. Well, you won't be there when crunch time comes. So I need that fake love out of my space. Need my positive vibes. Blow more smoke to my eye. Ghetto in the blood, but I'm nice. Need more life. Said I need more life. Old school had a rubbing all these phones wasn't nice. Motherland changed up my life.
So as you can see, we've blow dried the hair and I'm just prepping her hair for the ponytail. I was actually supposed to trim her hair, but the only reason I didn't do that was because she was going to have the ponytail for just like a week or so. So I was going to just trim that after instead, because sometimes when you trim the hair, then the ends are too blunt and then they kind of show through the ponytail. So I just didn't want it. I just wanted her hair to blend in with the ponytail, but obviously I would recommend trimming her hair. And actually when we did trim her hair, eventually we took off quite a lot because she had a lot of damaged ends, like a lot of split ends. So yeah, here I am just kind of demonstrating how I do the ponytail. It's actually very easy and it's something that I recommend if you just want some length, and obviously it's quite glam. So it's a very nice look and I love the extensions that I used to add length and fullness. Obviously the extensions are like a kinky texture, which I'll show you, and it's so nice, guys. Like, it's beautiful and it blends in so well with the hair. I've actually done a ponytail look before using the same hair as well. I'm going to link that as well down below, but this is just another way to achieve it, obviously on relaxed hair, because the one I did before was actually on natural hair. So if you guys want to watch that, I'm going to put that in the description box so you can see that.
Blow more smoke to my eye. Ghetto in the blood, but I'm nice. Need more life. Said I need more life. Old school had a rubbing all these phones wasn't nice. Motherland changed up my life. Came back home, but the way they took my bro wasn't right. The only pain I see from my eye. Don't need no advice, only need protection and ice. Guide me from the leeches and mice. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Says she wanna realer than the shows that she sees. Back roads spilling up her backwards. Cause we got the strain from a plug that we linked overseas. White widow reeking up a jumper. Says she wanna realer than the shows that she sees. Back roads spilling up her backwood. Cause we got the strain from a plug that we linked overseas. White widow reeking up a jumper. Yeah. More brandy, my cup right now, man. No R&B single. Freaky. Baby, where you going? Came out this club for you. Baby, where you going? Come to me, my baby. Let me make my decision. Vibes. Ride on me to the sunrise, come outside. Henny on rocks, baby girl, what you thinking? You're so surprised. Baby girl, name your price. I go make you mine tonight. Shay, you know. Bobby Eti Toby gone, mo fair won't mind low. Henny in my cup, baby girl, what you thinking? You're pouring for me. Baby girl, what is your fantasy? I go make you mine, you please. System is ginger. Bobo wafija, yeah, Henny in my cup, where's my wrist love? Came with my boys, baby girl, can you put me to your sisters? Where is your sister? Boys in here want to ginger. Boys in here want to ginger. System is ginger. Bobo wafija, yeah, Henny in my cup, where's my wrist love? Came with my boys, baby girl, can you put me to your sisters? Where is your sister? Boys in here want to ginger. Boys in here want to ginger.
Boy, I need show to my room. One by one, I've been a 2 by 2. Me say your back a boom, boom, boom. Ha. Girl, let me make your body feel good. After all the shy, I know the thing where you feel like you need me in your life, what? Girl, I give you the big thing, come and make a love ya. Come and let me kiss ya. You they give me ginger. Come on, I they see things, so you meet the lady. I know they see road, oh you meet the lady, but I want you, yeah. Give me the shit.
So here is the final look. I don't like my ponytails to look like too gelled or like, I like them to look really natural. So that's why like you can see that, you know, there are still like maybe some little bits of like flyaways, and like it's kind of intentional because you don't want it to look too done, because I feel that looks very unnatural. This literally just looks like she just decided to put her hair in a ponytail today and just went out. So I just like the way it looks very natural. Obviously making sure you're using extensions that match your hair. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching, and just let me know what you think in the comments, and hope to see you soon.
Came with my boys, baby girl, can you put me to your sisters? Where is your sister?